Hello and welcome guys. I hope you're doing great. So in this short video I'm gonna show you that how you can make a public Snapchat account on your iPhone devices. So guys, the process is really simple. You just have to follow these really simple steps in order to fully understand that how you can make a public Snapchat account on your iPhone devices. So without any further ado, let's get started. So to create a public Snapchat account on your iPhone devices, first of all just open your Snapchat application. Let me search for it. Here we go. Let it load. Okay, so from here just go to your profile icon, and here you can see the option to create a public profile. If you cannot see this option here, just go to add to snap map, and from here you can just click on these three bars, and here you can see the option to create a public profile. So let's just click on it, and you can see the features of a public profile here. Click on get started, and once you click on create, you will be provided with a public profile on your Snapchat account on your iPhone devices. So that was it for today. I really hope that you loved this video, because if you did, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to channel. Thank you.